This is a video I did at a recent bike show where the audio didn't come out. So it's the Roxform Valour, really nice city kind of hybrid bike with a mid-drive Bafang motor. Nice blue colour. They do only come in this blue, but you can see it's got hydraulic brakes, mid-display there with all your controls to hand to adjust the power and the other settings. You've got the front light and rear rack, and as I said, Bafang 80 Newton meter motor. Don't know why I'm touching the saddle there, but comes with a nice saddle, as you can see. It's got front suspension with a lockout there, really useful if you want to lock the suspension for road use, just to get a bit more power into the forward drive if you're not on bumps. But yeah, really nice hybrid bike.